Rog, this next bull, N141, I really like this calf. There's plenty to him, and goes back to, you know, one of my favourite bulls in Australia, Ardross and Equator, A241.
I'd have to agree with you on that one, Benny. He's a bull that we just love, Equator, and his females are breeding really well. It's not until you really get into this bull you actually appreciate the volume that's in him.
Yep, huge amount. Yeah. Great set of figures again, you know, 4.5 through to 131, great index values.
Yeah. Self-replacing top 1%, Angus Pure top 5. Once again, we've got a really low mature cow weight on this bull, and once again another big sky. He's bred so well for us.